Hello, Libra, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus placements. At of course, sa ating mga cross-watchers, welcome back po dito sa Bonum Magos, dating Angel Francia Taro, dating Ladybug PH. So, ayan, mga madam and sir, kamusta po kayo? I hope everybody's doing great. Ayan, so huwag na natin patagalin. Libra, no? So, in this video, Libra, alamin natin kung ano yung mga dapat ninyong malaman pagdating sa inyong kapirahan. Okay, this reading is for your career, money, and finances. So, ayan. Now, again, paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. So, hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat ng mga Libras. Okay? I'm also a Libra. I'm a Libra moon. Kaya tignan natin, no? Anong mga nag-aantay sa atin? Ating kaperahan. Libra. You have the Hierophant. Okay. So, isahin natin yan. You have the Five of Cups. Okay. You have the Ace of Pentacles. May opportunity na darating, Libra. Huwag kang manlumo. Okay. You have the Four of Wands. You have the Ace of Cups. You have the King of Cups. Okay. You have the Page of Pentacles. Meron talagang opportunity na darating. You have the Four of Cups. Okay. You have the Two of Wands. You have the Knight of Swords. You have the Star. Okay. My goodness. You have the Six of Wands. Panalong panalo ka dito, Aquarius. You have the, I'm sorry, Libra. You have the Tower. Okay. You have the Tower, Libra. Ibig sabihin may surprise na darating. You know what, Libra? A rejection is God's protection. Tandaan niyo yan. Yan ang bumungad sa akin. Kasi you have the Five of Cups and the Four of Cups. If there is something in your life na in relation or in relation to your career, money, and finances na parang ano yung disappointment, na-disapprove ng loan, natanggal sa trabaho, hindi kumbaga hindi inaaprubahan ng bank loan, hindi naaprubahan sa hindi natanggap sa trabaho, nalugi yung negosyo. You know what? You know why? Because you are due for an upgrade from the universe. May paparating. You have the Ace of Cups. Tingnan mo to. Ace of Pentacles, Libra. Page of Pentacles, and a Star. Hindi mo alam, nakikita mo, there's something about a big opportunity in your life. Kaya may hindi nag-work. Kaya ka hindi inapprovean sa loan. Kasi may mas magandang ibibigay sa'yo, ipapalit sa'yo ng Diyos. Mas malaki pa sa inaasahan mo kasi the Star and the Six of Wands, this is you feeling victorious, success, na magiging proud ka sa sarili mo. Alam mo yon na magiging famous ka, na ang lahat ng mga tao lilingon sa'yo. Titingalain ka. There's something about that na parang ang taas-taas na ng tingin nila sa'yo because of what you are going to achieve here. Now, although this reading is for April, for some of you, ito na yung simula. Okay? There's something about an opportunity here na darating sa'yo, na magbibigay sa'yo ng malaking kasayahan. Wish fulfillment with a star beyond your wildest dreams, Libra. Okay? Now, yeah. Kung ano mo yung pinagdadasal mo, Libra, there's something about you, meron kang, yung iba sa inyo talagang lumalapit sa mga uh, company, bank, ayan. And then, mukhang na-disappoint kasi hindi nga inapubahan ng house loan, house and lot, for something about house loans or business loan, something about that. But don't worry because hindi ibig sabihin na huwag mong ipanglumo yan, Libra. Okay? Kasi may mas maganda pang mas ipapalit dyan. Okay, tandaan mo yan. If trabaho man to, or business, or pagdating sa pera. Okay? Wow, ang ganda ng reading mo, Libra. Now, pagdating naman sa mga pinaplano mo, huwag kang sumuko. Don't give up. Take action. Take action on your goals and dreams. Kasi your wish is about to come true here. You will succeed with the Six of Wands. So take action, okay? Tuloy mo lang ang plano mo kahit na dumaan ka. I know some of you recently parang na-disappoint sa isang bagay dito. There's something about, yun nga, nanlumo kayo kasi hindi kayo naaprubahan. Hindi kayo binigyan ng offer, something like that. Okay? Wow! For some of you, Libra, we have the King, Ace of Cups, and the King of Cups, and the Page of Pentacles. And you have the Four Cups. Yeah, I think I really do see that you're looking for something bigger. You're looking for something more. Okay, you're looking at, tingnan mo, tinitignan mo yung tatlong cups. Hindi mo nakikita yung ibinibigay sa'yo ng universe. May extra pa. Okay, extra blessing na darating sa'yo. Oh my God, Libra. Okay, sa mga nakikita ko din, if like, for example, nag-apply kayo ng loan and hindi kayo na-aprubahan, there is something bigger kasi, kaya hindi ka na-aprubahan. Okay? And it would lead to your celebration. Okay? For some of you, the reason why nag-a-apply kayo ng loan, it's because gusto nyo magpatayo ng bahay or mag-renovate or magtayo ng business. And it could also, for some of you, with regards to your business, nakikita ko yung iba is nagpaplano na magtayo ng physical store. Okay? Like, kung dati is online store ka lang, Libra, I feel like you're planning in the future, may nakikita akong physical store. Wow, beautiful. Look at this, Libra. Okay? You have the Ace of Cups. And you know what? In conjunction with the Tower, the reason why uh, may hindi nag-work sa'yo, may hindi, some of you may experience or makakaranas ng disappointment, loss, ayan, it's because, tingnan mo, kasaganahan with the Empress. The universe is going to surprise you with big opportunity, big abundance in your life, Aquarius. I'm sorry, Libra. Why do I keep saying Aquarius? Okay, some of you may be Aquarius. Okay, so Libra, okay, itong reading na to ay para sa Libra. There is a big surprise. You are due for a renovation. Kumbaga, i-upgrade yung magle-level up ka with the Tower. Okay? Magle-level up ka sa career, sa business, sa kaperahan mo talaga. There is something that ikakatuwa mo, overflowing of blessings. Overflowing with blessings with the Ace of Cups. Claim this, okay? Ikakasaya mo with the King of Cups. An opportunity na hindi mo nakikita with the Four of Cups. Okay? Something na hindi mo nakikita. Okay? May ibang binibigay sa iyo ang universe, ang angel, ang heaven. Itong kamay na to. Okay? That would lead to your victory with the Six of Wands. Libra, ang ganda ng reading mo. Ang ganda. Okay? Sa ngayon, hindi mo makikita yan. Ito pa lang, oh, dito talaga ako may speechless. Alam mo, the Star and the Six of Wands together, this means victory, success, being famous. Some of you are in the social media, okay, lalong sisikat, especially sa mga vloggers natin dyan, na nanonood, kakasimula na mag-upload, yan, may YouTube channel, ganyan, mga vloggers, yun nga, mga vloggers. Sisikat kayo. Okay? Magiging famous kayo this year. If not, starting this April. Oh my goodness. It will lead to your success. You are so famous. Pagdating naman sa negosyo, Makakahatak kayo ng maraming customers. Libra, sa mga negosyante dyan. Oh. So, take action. Tuloy lang ang laban sa mga plano nyo sa buhay, Libra. Huwag kang susuko. Huwag kang susuko. Okay? Now, Libra, what else? Tignan natin. Okay? Sa mga naghahanap naman ng trabaho, if nawalan kayo ng trabaho, okay, nag-resign, may bagong opportunity na darating. May mga bagong work proposal, okay, na darating. Seven of Abundance, Libra. You have the, Five of Emotion. Lumabas ulit. You have the Eight of Emotion. And last, Guardian of Emotion. Yeah, you have to trust. You have to trust the universe kasi meron talagang sorpresa. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo parang nagkaroon ng negative reaction sa isang sitwasyon dahil lang kasi yun nga, hindi nasunod yung gusto nyo, hindi kayo na-approvahan, may something na nangyari na na-disappoint kayo. Okay? Sabi dito, Libra, have patience. Habaan ninyo ang pasensya ninyo pagdating sa inyong kasaganahan, sa mga pinapangarap ninyo, sa mga pinagdadasal ninyo, sa mga gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay. Okay? Sabi to have patience. Sometimes dreams grow slowly. But don't worry, okay? The hard work you've invested. Ayan, bountiful harvest. Yeah, things will soon move forward for you. Quickly. Okay, ayan. So, hindi mo kailangan madiliin yung success mo, Libra. Andyan yan. So, with this five of emotion, Libra, okay? I feel like forgiveness is very important with regards to your finances, no? And your career. Forgive yourself. Forgive those people na hindi maibigay yung expectations mo, hindi nila patawarin mo sila. Okay? Huwag kang makipag... Some of you, Libra, sa sobrang disappointment na mafe-feel ninyo pagdating sa kaperahan, parang maging yung iba sa inyo makakapagbitaw ng maanghang na salita sa kung sino man yung taong inaasahan ninyo na mag-o-offer o magbibigay sa iyo ng pera. Some of you, it has something to do with your father, a provider, a breadwinner in your family. This could be a woman, could be a parent, could be your boss, could be anybody in your life na kung saan nag-e-expect ka na bibigyan ka ng pera or tulong or pautangin ka and hindi ka pinagbigyan. And then, syempre, dahil dyan sa emotional experience mo, dahil sa disappointment, makakapagbitaw ka ng salita. So, ingat. I mean, hindi natin maiwasan yan, but control yourself. No? Huwag magpadalos-dalos sa inyong mga damdamin. So, forgiveness is kasi baka later pagsisihan ninyo kasi may blessings na darating, may ibang mas better na darating kumpara sa inaasahan ninyo. Libra, yan ang ibig kong sabihin with this Four of Cups. Okay? May ibang darating na mas better kesa inaasahan ninyo. That's the surprise of the universe. Okay? That's why the Seven of Abundance is here. Habaan ninyo ang iyong pasensya ninyo. Habaan ninyo yung patience ninyo, Libra, especially pagdating sa inyong mga plano sa buhay with the Two of Wands. Kasi andito talaga yung opportunity. Okay, look at this. Opportunity na magbibigay sa inyo, Libra. Okay, wish fulfillment, dreams come true, ay yung mga pangarap ninyo, Libra, eto na, andyan na, parating na. So, habaan ninyo yung pasensya, wag makipag-away, tuloy ninyo lang mga prayers ninyo, okay? By the way, gusto ko lang i-flex yung bagong bracelet ko sa mga interesado nito. just PM me, okay, sa Facebook page. Ang ganda, 'di ba? This is a diffuser bracelet, no? Especially yung mga nakabili ng money magnet oil, ilagay niyo diyan, ilagay niyo dito sa wooden brace. This by the way rosewood to ha. Rosewood na ano, beads. Ilagay niyo lang, ipatak niyo diyan. 'Di ba? Gagawin ko 'yan mamaya. Because this is, and by the way, this is jade. Okay? Pang paswerte. Okay, Libra, ang galing ng reading niyo, ang ganda. So anyway, Libra, bago magtatapos, shout out pala sa ating mga members. Sa gusto mong magpa-member dito sa YouTube channel ko, may pasabog ako. Okay, this April, by the end of April, okay, bago magtatapos yung buwan ng Abril, okay, bubunot ako, i-video ko yung mga pangalan ninyo ng mga members, and then bubunot ako ng pangalan ninyo. Isa lang makakuha ng Holy Rosary in Pink Jade daw ito sabi ng supplier. Okay, this is Pink Jade. Okay, this is worth 1,980. Okay, ngayon, binibigay ko, gagawin kong ipapagames ko kumbaga. So, ang requirements lang kailangan, mag-join kayo as member. So, paano yan? May makikita kayong click join dyan. Okay, sa baba. I-click nyo yung join and then magbabayad kayo monthly for 100 pesos ata, something or less. Alam ko less or 100 plus. Okay, nakalimutan ko na. But anyways, ayan. So, mga members, I'm so excited for. Excited na ba kayo? Ayan ang papremyo ninyo ha. Bubunot tayo sa maswerteng mananalo, makakakuha nitong Holy Rosary. Ayan. So, sa mga hindi pa members, ayan, magpa-member na kayo. Okay, so, ano pa? I-flex ko yung mga items. Ito yung sinasabi kong money magnet oil, financial blockages. Ilagay nyo dyan. Try natin ha. Diba? Ayan, ganyan yung purpose niyan. Okay. Ayan. Uy, ang bango. Namoy mo yun, babe. Ang bango. Uy, ang bango. Uy, ang bango. Hala, ang bango. Oh my God, ang bango niya. Very effective pa talaga pag ilalagay mo siya sa wooden beads. Bongga. Money magnet oil and then itong bracelet na diffuser bracelet. Okay, ibang klase ha. May rose quartz ako and then basta ipopost ko sa Facebook page later. Okay? Bagay na bagay siya. This is 700 pesos and this 299. Okay? May kasama ng free red bracelet sa gustong bumili. Okay? What else? Eto, pabongga. Pasabog, mga madam. This is my ultimate favorite. Okay, ayan. Protection amulet. Meron ako neto. Ang cute talaga neto in actual. Ang ganda. This is 850 pesos. May kasama na siyang free red bracelet. Okay, sa gustong bumili, take a screenshot and then message me sa Facebook page. Okay, 850. Ang ganda talaga, promise. Ano lang to, 5 pieces lang available sa ngayon. Okay. Sa mga interesado ng ating bracelet choker bracelet po yan. Ayan o. Letter C, okay, alphabet choker necklace. In faceted crystals. Ang ganda talaga, promise. Two-way to, mga madam. Pwedeng gawing bracelet and then necklace. Ay, ang ganda. Promise. Okay. You have nude. Okay. Nude color. Ayan. Shell to, mga madam. Shell po yan. Ayan o. Ang ganda, promise. Okay. And you have indigo. Okay. Indigo ata to ang kulay na to. Letter W. Okay. Sabihin nyo lang kung anong letter ang gusto ninyo. Okay. And you have baby blue, letter A. Ang cute talaga. Promise. Ang ganda, diba? And you have blue-green, letter G. Ang ganda. Lalo na pag naka-layer kayo. I mean, layered necklace, 'di ba? Yung marami ilalagay sa leeg. Oh, 'di ba? Ang ganda. Imagine ninyo. Tapos ito, oh, layered 'yan. Ay, bongga. Bongga, bongga, bongga. Talaga. Okay. And pink. Okay, you have one in pink. Available in color pink. Ang cute ng pink. Nakakaputi. It's letter B. Pwedeng palitan ng letter na gusto ninyo. Okay? Just message me sa Facebook page. Okay, yung link andyan sa description box, description details. Alright, Libra, Sun Rising, and Venus Placements. Maraming salamat. And I hope to see you again next time. Ingat and God bless.